Hi guys, I have here a problem with my 3D printer, and the problem is when I move the extruder, it doesn't move. So you see here, I move the extruder, it doesn't move, and I tried to change the motor between this and this, but it doesn't work. And I have tried to attach these in the y-axis, and when I attach to the y-axis it works, but when I attach to the extruder it doesn't work. And I have changed the wire, but it doesn't work. I think the problem is I have in some time I have unplugged the extruder motor when the 3D printer is on. So I think this is the problem. So can you help me to solve this problem?